Hi everybody, Mark the guitar guy here, Mark McKenzie. Great to see you guys again. We're going to continue on the series now. It's number 6 in the series of strumming. We're going to add on to the slow rock strum. You've learnt the slow rock strum, and if you haven't done that, please hit subscribe and you'll see all the other videos that we've done, and it'll follow on really nicely from the last ones we've done. And also keep the comments coming in, guys. I'm absolutely loving the comments. It's always cool to see what you guys think of things. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to hear. And don't forget to hit the like page, to be the like as well. That'd be awesome. So the advanced slow rock strum. I call it the funky slow rock strum. Funky slow rock strum. Let me give you an example of it, and then we'll break it down. Okay, what I'm doing there is just adding on to the slow rock strum. So why should we learn that strum? We've learnt the slow rock strum. Why should we learn the funky one? Well, to be honest, it's more interesting. It's just something that sounds a way cooler than the traditional down, miss, down, down, up strum. And it's adding on to it, giving us a little bit more to our repertoire. Okay, so how do we do the strum? Let's go and break it down into its really, really basics. So it's going to start with a down, miss, down, down, up, the same way we start the slow rock strum. Down, miss, down, down, up. But instead of starting with another down, we're going to do 2 ups in a row at the end. It'll sound like this. Down, miss, down, down, up, up. Again. Down, miss, down, down, up, up. Okay, then after that we follow it with another down. Down, miss, down, down, up, up, down. So when you practice that over and over, just doing that, programming the feel of that into the guitar playing, down, miss, down, down, up, up, down. Okay, then we add the next strum to it, which is another downstroke. Down, miss, down, down, up, up, down, down. Simple as that. Down, miss, down, down, up, up, down, down. If any of this is tripping you up, write down the strumming pattern and just go through step by step with each little increment. And if you get mucked up at any point, just come back a couple of strums and start again. You'll be fine. Okay, the next strum I'm going to add to that is another down. Down, miss, down, down, up, up, down, down, down. And then program that. Down, miss, down, down, up, up, down, down, down. And once again, you've added that over and over. Take some time to get good at that before you go to the next bit, which is this last upstroke. It's the last thing we do is an upstroke after the last down. Let me show you how that sounds. Down, miss, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Feels weird to finish on an up like that and then stop, but however, that's the way I want you to practice this over and over, subconsciously programming that into the subconscious, the feeling of that strumming pattern, then we'll join 2 together. I'll do that a few more times. This time I'll do it with a chord, and I won't speak over it. I'll just play the pattern. That was the whole pattern. Let's do another chord, same thing. And when you're confident, join 2 together. So straight after the last upstroke, bang, straight back down with another downstroke. I'll give you an example with just a G chord going to an A chord. Etc. And you'll notice that last down up that I do, that's actually where I move to get to the next chord. The same idea applies with making it faster and slower as we did in the previous videos. We're making it faster by making a smaller strumming pattern, and we're making it slower. We're making it slower with a larger pattern. So faster with a small pattern, small radius, and slower with a long pattern, long strumming radius. That'll change the strumming pattern for you. Couple of cool things with the strumming pattern. You can actually change chords. If you've got 2 chords in the bar, you can change chords on the upstroke. I'm going to do the G and the A again, for example. So I'm going to play the G for the first part of the pattern, and on the first upstroke that we get, I'm going to change to the A. I'll give you an example. I'll do that again, but slower. And that sounds quite cool fast. very funky. Another option for changing, for having 2 chords in a bar, is just to keep it simple like we did for the down, miss, down, down, up initially. So we do 2 lots of down, miss, down, down, up. So it'll be something like... So an example where we have, say, the G and the A in the first bar, and the second bar we just have E for a whole bar. It'd be like this. We'd do half a bar of G, half a bar of A, then a whole bar of E. And it would sound, so when I do the E, it'll be a funky pattern for the E, but the other part will just be down, miss, down, down, up for each of those chords. Sounds weird, but you'll understand when I play it. So here we go, the G, down, miss, down, down, up. Same for the A, then funky pattern. And again, I won't speak this time. That sounds quite cool. Or you could just change on the upstroke. Either way is kind of cool. So just to sum up, that's a pretty cool way of doing the slow rock strum. Just a wee bit more of an advanced version of that. Have some fun with that. The next video we're going to be doing is actually going to be on the rockabilly strum, which is going to make things a little bit more hillbilly for us. So stick around, we'll see you soon.